Oh my, it is toasty in here. Just getting the heat from the fire and from the wood and from the ground. But I am hungry. I think I need to start cooking some food. I've got this bread dough that I made up and it needs to rise just a little bit. So I'm gonna get it warm. So I'm just gonna lay it down on this warm gravel I'm sitting on. I'm just gonna vary it just a little bit. And I got some honey and butter in this little jar here. Let that honey and butter melt right there. A nice little steak we seasoned earlier. Go ahead and put that straight on the coals. The steak's just cooking away on the coals. For having cooked that just on the coals, that is a pretty beautiful medium. Look at that. Man, that hits the spot. There we go. And mix up that honey and that butter. It's all melty. There we go. Oh, that's heavenly. Butter and honey just dripping off it.